Surat Zalzala, chapter of the earthquake. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, when comes the great earthquake, and the earth brings forth its burdens, man says, what is the matter with it? That day it will tell its news, that thy Lord hath prompted it. That day the people will come forward spreading separately, that they may be shown their works. Whoever has done a particle's weight of good shall see it, and whoever has done a particle's weight of evil shall see it. And this chapter is talked about as having like half the reward of the Qur'an. Now we find that the entire reward of the Qur'an is either had in saying the last 3 chapters or in saying Surah 36. So we're talking about the merit, but the merit relates to the sort of chapter that it is. And just like the last one, we had, okay, some are going to do bad and believe bad, and that's going to be weighed, and they're going to be sectarian and all that. But here, people are just being separated and weighed outside of that, and everything counts. So very karmic.